Hi everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team. In this video, I will show you how to add a single page to your existing Cheetah website. Let's get to it. Now right here, I am currently inside the Cheetah Builder, and this is my one-page website. Now if I want to add another one, all I have to do is go to this plus sign, select it, and then select the title for my page, and then simply go down to the very bottom. Now you're going to have multiple options. You can choose a blank page, or if you have already created websites and maybe you created a page that you want to use as a template, you can simply click on My Pages and then choose from which website would you like to grab that page. So if I select Coffee Shop, and then down here from my Coffee Shop website, I want to pull in the chat page. So now I can go up here and just name it. Go back to the bottom and save. And now you see I've added that page to my website. Now there's also another way that you can go in here and add your page. Now here we are at the home page, and here is your directory of all of the different pages on your website. You can select the paper with the plus symbol, and then again, let's just go ahead and title this Test 3. Doesn't really matter. But we're going to go in here and choose a template now from the page templates. Now this is going to be your BuilderAll Cheetah templates that are already pre-made. When you select that, then you just go through here and then select the appropriate template. So for this example, I know that maybe I'm looking for a refund policy template. Here's the number right here. I'm going to go ahead and select it. Now in the future, they're going to be working on to where it's a lot easier to understand which page you're looking at and won't have to memorize the number. This is brand new, so I would imagine that there's going to be some enhancements to make it that much more easier for you. Then here is the refund policy. So we've selected the refund policy. I'm going to go down here, select Save. Now once your page saves, what you could do is you can go ahead and exit out of here, right? And if I look at my drop down, you're not going to see the new page added, right? So first let's go here, select Save on the page. I'm going to go ahead and close it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go out. I'm going to save and exit. And then you're going to see that that Test 3 page is right here. So if I go back into the home page, it's going to show up. So now, here are my different pages that I can work through. And that is how you add a single page to a Cheetah website. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BuilderAll team.